Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Economy Bookings car rental app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Economy Bookings is a global car rental app that helps users compare and book vehicles from over 800 suppliers in more than 150 countries. The app allows travelers to browse a wide range of rental cars, from economy and compact models to SUVs and luxury vehicles, while filtering by price, rental company, fuel policy, and mileage. It also supports flexible booking, cancellation options, and often provides discounted deals compared to booking directly with car rental agencies. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its wide selection of cars, competitive pricing, and the ability to compare multiple providers in one place. The booking process is straightforward, and travelers often find the app useful for last-minute rentals or international trips. It also allows users to manage reservations easily and access rental details on the go. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. A common complaint is unexpected fees at pickup, especially around insurance or deposits, which can make the final cost higher than advertised. Some users also mention that customer support can be slow in resolving refund or cancellation issues. Additionally, the app acts as an intermediary, so the rental experience may vary depending on the actual car supplier. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Economy Bookings app may be worth using if you're looking for affordable car rentals with a wide choice of providers and global coverage. It's great for comparing prices and securing deals quickly. However, if you prefer direct booking with fewer risks of hidden fees or want stronger customer service guarantees, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.